Hi there, students. Omnipresent, a great word. An adjective to say that something is always present. It's always there. Okay, so I don't know, the omnipresent roar of the traffic in the city. Yeah, the roar of the traffic is omnipresent, present everywhere and simultaneously. Yeah, in all places at the same time. Yeah, something that's present or has an effect everywhere. So if you go to London, you will see the omnipresent security cameras everywhere. Okay, it's a synonym for ubiquitous, always present, always there. Yeah, you always find it everywhere. People say that God is omnipresent, is everywhere at the same time. The omnipresent mobile phone will you will see with people everywhere. It's something that is omnipresent. It's always. I guess the omnipresent McDonald's in the city, yeah, or in London the omnipresent London bus. That is, unless you're waiting for one. Okay, in this beautiful forest with its omnipresent trees, yeah, present everywhere, yeah. He was so obsessed with her that she became omnipresent in his thoughts. Everything he thought about, she was part of it. She took part. He thought about her in that context. Okay, so omnipresent, everywhere, ubiquitous. It also omnipresent. It emphasizes dignity and power. Particularly they use this idea omnipresent talking about a god. So use omnipresent defining something that it seems to be powerful, all enveloping. Yeah, so I think human law is omnipresent. Yeah, what is right or what is not right is just obvious. Well, maybe it's not omnipresent, but it should be. Yeah, okay, it should be ubiquitous. Okay, so what is it about the mobile phone that makes it omnipresent? Yeah, powerful and present everywhere in people's lives. Okay, the omnipresent news about COVID, well, maybe it's not omnipresent anymore, but it was omnipresent for a couple of years. Okay, so omnipresent. I think this is a great word for you to use instead of everywhere, all over the place. I would recommend using this word in essays instead of everywhere. Yeah, it sounds much better. Okay, so formality, omnipresent. I'm going to give it a 5.5 to 6 in formality. I think you could you use it in an informal conversation? I guess you could. It's probably a little bit formal for an informal conversation. But use it semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, things like that. And then as to origin, well, it starts with this prefix omni, meaning everywhere. Yeah. Okay, from Latin ominis, meaning all, and then present. So all present, it's always there. Okay, so omnipresent. If you enjoyed the video, my videos are omnipresent in the internet. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Omnipresent.